Since the dawn of civilization, humanity has turned its eyes to the night sky, mesmerized by the countless stars scattered like jewels across the heavens. Before the tools of modern astronomy were invented, ancient people relied solely on their eyes, imagination, and intellect to interpret the cosmos. Their fascination with the stars wasn't just curiosity, it was a quest to understand life, time, and the divine. In this journey, we'll explore how ancient astronomers perceived the stars, how their views shaped their civilizations, and how their legacy lives on today. For many ancient cultures, the stars were seen as sacred and deeply connected to the gods. In Mesopotamia, the Babylonians believed the heavens were a reflection of the divine will. They meticulously recorded the movements of stars and planets on clay tablets, interpreting them as omens for kings and empires. Similarly, the Egyptians associated stars with their gods and the afterlife. The star Sirius, known as Sopdet, was linked to the goddess Isis and heralded the annual flooding of the Nile, a life-giving event for their civilization. In Greek mythology, constellations were stories written across the sky. Heroes, gods, and mythical creatures were immortalized in the stars, creating a celestial tapestry that carried cultural narratives and moral lessons. Ancient astronomers didn't just look at the stars for spiritual reasons, they also sought to map and categorize them. The Chinese were among the earliest to create detailed star maps, dividing the sky into specific regions and tracking celestial movements to predict events like eclipses. The Mayans in the Americas developed precise calendars based on their observations of the stars and planets, which were essential for their agricultural and religious practices. Greek astronomers such as Hipparchus and Ptolemy made significant contributions to star cataloging. Hipparchus is credited with creating the first comprehensive star map and discovering the precession of the equinoxes, a slow shift in the orientation of Earth's axis. Ptolemy's work, the Almagest, became a cornerstone of astronomy for over 1,000 years. The practical uses of astronomy were evident in ancient civilizations. The Polynesians, for example, were exceptional navigators, using the positions of stars to guide their voyages across the vast Pacific Ocean. They memorized complex star patterns, which acted as a celestial map. Similarly, ancient Egyptians and Babylonians used the stars to measure time. By observing the rising and setting of certain stars, they developed calendars that governed planting and harvesting cycles, as well as important religious ceremonies. The ability to predict the seasons by tracking the stars was not just an intellectual pursuit, it was essential for survival. Ancient astronomers were not just observers, they were philosophers who pondered the nature of the cosmos. In ancient Greece, thinkers like Anaxagoras and Aristotle speculated on the origins of the stars and their relationship to Earth. Aristotle proposed a geocentric model, where the Earth was the center of the universe, surrounded by concentric spheres carrying the stars and planets. In India, ancient texts like the Vedanga Jyotisha reveal sophisticated knowledge of celestial cycles. Indian astronomers like Aryabhata calculated the length of the solar year with remarkable accuracy, blending science and spirituality in their quest to understand the heavens. The stories and myths surrounding the stars served as a way to connect communities and pass down traditions. In Native American cultures, constellations were used to teach moral lessons and explain natural phenomena. The Greek constellations, still recognized today, were a way to immortalize their heroes and gods, giving meaning to the endless expanse of the night sky. The work of ancient astronomers laid the groundwork for modern science. Their methods of observation, record-keeping, and interpretation evolved into the sophisticated tools and theories we use today. Without their contributions, modern astronomy would not have been possible. Their legacy is a reminder of humanity's enduring desire to explore and understand the unknown. Even in today's age of space telescopes and deep space probes, we are inspired by the achievements of ancient stargazers. Their ability to derive profound insights using the naked eye and rudimentary tools is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. Revisiting their methods and stories helps us appreciate the universal and timeless connection between humanity and the cosmos. In conclusion, the ancient astronomers saw the stars not as mere physical objects, but as symbols of the divine, tools of survival, and mirrors of human imagination. Their insights, though limited by time, were profound and paved the way for our current understanding of the universe. As we continue to explore the stars, we carry with us the spirit of these early astronomers, whose legacy reminds us of the endless wonder and mystery of the universe.